Oops.
So once you fill it, you need some room for fermentation, because if you fill it, it's gonna
Bubble over, yeah.
It's gonna bubble over. So let's call it, we're gonna use from 6-gallon bucket, 5 gallon space on, and like 1.5 gallons would be your skin, right? Because we have 6 gallon full, we split in 4, that makes 1.5 gallons.
Okay.
Just the skin, and gives us 3.5 gallons the juice to make up to 5. So we have 3.5 gallons times 4. 3.5 gallon times 4 is a 14 gallons. So you need 14 gallon clean water,
not tap water.
not tap water, just like good water with the minerals. And we need to mix with the sugar. So now figure out the sugar, what we need. So let me convert it to the liters so I can figure out. So we have 14 gallons. Okay, so convert 14 gallons. Liters. So it's 52, let's say 53 liters of water, 14 gallons. So the way the sugar works is that the sugar is 100% of sugar. So diluting it in the water gives you the bricks. We call it sugar level on the juice. So ideal sugar level for winemaking with the red wine is 23 to 24. So that means in 100 units, 24 units should be the sugar and 76 water. So 54 liter, so it's actually 24 is a fourth part, right? So 53 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4 is you need 13 kilos and a quarter of sugar. So let's convert it to the LBs. So you actually need 30 pounds of sugar.
It's a lot of sugar.
Yes. So 30 pounds of sugar mixed with a 14 gallon of water, and you mix it. So the way you need to do it, so you mixing it with a hot water.
Okay. So it dissolves the sugar.
So you need to make sure there is no crystals. It's completely dissolved. But you need to cool it down to the temperature. So let's call it convert 32 Celsius to Fahrenheit. So you need to cool it down to almost 90.
89.6. Okay.
So once it's that temperature, after you kind of fill it and try to mix with the hand, so all the skin is completely
coated.
Yeah. So mixed with the sugar and leave it like that. In a day or two, it will create a bubbling. You will hear it bubbles, and yeah, after 10 to 14 days, you will have the young wine, and you will do the same thing what you do when I will give you my wine.
Okay.
So this wine is a communion wine. It's done completely different way, but you will learn. So wherever the guys will come, I'll give you the instructions what to do with it.
Let me ask you real quick. How do you figure out the sugar that's in the grape, the sugar content of the
You
grape?
measure it. there is a certain tools. So you can buy it on Amazon. It's pretty smart, nice tool. So you put a few drops. Let's drop the water on.
A few drops from the grate.
Yeah, for the juice. So it should give us the 0 now. Put the lid and you look. You see? Maybe put under the light.
Well, I can see it. I just was
Yeah.
trying to figure out where to look.
Yeah, just look the scale. Find the scale.
It looks like it's a 0.
Yes,
Okay.
because water
There's
does not
no
have
sugar,
There is no
right.
sugar. So once the sugar level it goes, it gives you the number
Where it's at. That's
Yes.
good.
Yeah.
How much does one of them cost?
Oh, it's cheap. It's just like 20.
What is it? What is it called?
It's red. I'll
Look it up.
yeah. I'll give you the. I'll send a link.
And so, are those what you're calling bricks?
Yes, bricks is the actual sugar level.
So that's each one of those numbers is a brick.
Is the bricks, yeah.
Okay.
So it's pretty handy.
So that right there was interesting for me by itself.
And there is a different tools to measure the alcohol content. So I'll bring down later the tool.
So where'd you get these barrels?
I got like there's a few wineries and some I get on the Facebook market. So people sell it.
What about that thing?
That's like I bought it from old Italian man. It was completely rusted, completely destroyed, and I restored it.
That's beautiful.
It was built, I think, 1930 something. It's
1930
almost-
something?
Yeah, it's almost 100 years old.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So I pull all this wood pieces off, took the rust, repaint it. I used the food grade paint on it. So
And those are oak?
yes, those. No, this is a maple.
Maple, okay.
Yeah. But because you don't keep it.
You don't keep it in there, it doesn't matter. Okay.
It just stays there for maybe half an hour. So let me cover this guy.
Now that stuff you made me that the Romans used to make for their rations in war with the walnuts and the grape skins, is that the sediment or is that the skins that you make that from?
You try to remind me?
It's like it's almost like gummy.
Oh no, it's from juice.
It's just from the juice?
It's grape juice, boiled. You adding the corn wheat or the wheat, like a flour.
Flour?
Wheat flour or corn flour.
Yeah.
You boil it and you create like a waxy texture, some kind of substance.
Uh-huh.
So you take your walnuts and you dip in it. And
Like a candle.
yeah, and you just dry it out. Because that was old Georgian soldiers' food. Because you can't eat more than one. It just gives
Yeah,
you
they're
such-
yummy.
No, I mean it gives you kind of boost in the energy. So
Yeah.
So you got you understand the
I got the basics there, yeah.